So this is the Krak'in shotgunning tool, and this is how it works. Clip it under there like that, tilt this thing forward, keep it tight, the little bladder there. It's just that easy.